everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I'm going to be talking about my starter locks. Okay, you guys, I am only 2 days in, so I'm 2 days into these. Let me just start off by saying I have not put any products on my hair besides the little rose water and some oil. Okay, now my daughter sat and twisted my hair up the same night. I think it was like 2 nights ago, 1 night ago, a day and a half ago, something like that. Okay, so she twisted it, and originally I started off with 43 twists, but I am like really finicky with odd numbers, so I had to start. I split one in half, and then that one was smaller than the rest of them, so I started splitting more in half to where now I have 54 locks. Some of them are bigger than others, but I actually don't mind the fact that some of them are different. Like, I want them to be different. But I will come on here and say the problem or issue that I am having is exactly the very next morning. Like, I tied my hair down. I did tie my hair down in a scarf at night. And the very next morning I got up and like they were loose. Like, they were just unraveled and loose. And I found myself like having to go in, and I had to keep retwisting it. And I'm thinking to myself, like, man, if I keep having to retwist it, like, are these ever going to have the chance to actually, you know, like, hold and start dreading and doing what they're supposed to do? But I just wanted to show you guys. Now, my parts are big. They are big. They are not planned out. None of these are planned out. Like, I literally just took hair and grabbed. It might look like these parts was meant to be, but y'all, they're not. None of these are straight. I just literally, me and my daughter literally took hair and twisted it, and then the ones that was too big, like I said, I just split it in half and did it that way, and that was all I did. But this is what it's looking like. And the only issue, or not issue, it's not even an issue because I know it's going to happen. The only thing I'm concerned with now is that my hair is long. Of course my hair is long. But of course, like I said, I know there's going to be shrinkage. But there's like certain twists that is just like all the way bunched up. Like, there's twists that's like bunched all the way up, and those twists I think are going to lose like a lot of its length, because I think it's going to end up like locking or getting that matted look, and it's going to lose a lot of its length because it's just going to fold down into each other. I'm trying to find, it's hard to see which one. I can't tell. Okay, but this is a good one. This is a good one. Where's it at? This. Okay, like you guys see that, it's just like a ball. But of course, I've got length on that, but it keep going into a ball. So I think this is, when this locks up, this is going to be a ball. I'm going to lose all this length. Like, it's just going to be a ball. To where I've actually thought about just taking like a flat iron and just holding it on like the twist for just like 3 seconds, just to get, you know, I really don't want to lose my length, but I'm going to lose it. Like, I'm going to lose it. That's the only thing I'm concerned about and worried about at this point. Like, I know that's going to happen. So that part I'm not looking forward to, but everything else I'm ready for. I'm totally ready for. So, yeah, 54 locks going forward. No real pattern or nothing like that. Just, it is what it is. They're not the same in size. I'm literally just letting these things do whatever they want to do. Like, that's the part of the journey. So, I just hope they don't keep coming loose. That's my only issue that I'm dealing with right now. Is that they keep coming loose and they're scrunching up on itself. But other than that, I'm ready. No problems, no issues. I'm going to keep wearing a scarf at night. Oh, y'all, let me tell you about that shampoo. Oh my god, y'all, that shampoo was amazing. Let me tell y'all, like, my hair felt so light and fluffy. Like, it still feels just so soft and so fluffy. Like, I'm gonna start using that in everybody's hair in the house. Like, all my daughters, I'm about to start using that in their hair. Like, that is an awesome shampoo. Like, I love the way it had my hair feeling. Like, it felt clean. And I'm not gonna lie, like, usually, y'all, I'm like the cheapest person in the whole wide world. I usually buy the cheapest shampoo I can find, which is like them little dollar swab little things. So that's what my hair was used to. But y'all, when I put on that other stuff, it was like, no, like, it was like, honey, there's so much more out there. You need to expand your horizons. Like, seriously, that was some good shampoo. So I do recommend that shampoo. Like, my hair is very light. Like, I could tell it's stripped of everything. There's no product in it. It's very light. It's very fluffy. It's soft. It's amazing. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. I want to try to keep these. I'm going to do these videos every month, just once a month. And I'm going to try to, this one went a little long. I'm going to try to keep them under 5 minutes because, like I said, I watched a ton of videos. And I didn't really like watching the ones that were like 10, 15-minute long. Like, oh my God, Jesus. Like, it was a lot. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. And I will see you guys very soon. Bye.